How to delete WhatsApp call history. So go ahead and open your WhatsApp. Now on the bottom part of the page, you will see here 5 icons. Now click on the call icon between the status and the communities. In this page, your call history will show. It can be classified to all and missed calls. Now to clear this history, click on the edit word here on the upper left corner of your screen. If you want to delete specific calls only, you can manually click on this red icon beside that specific call and then proceed to delete. But if you want to delete every single call in this page, just click on this clear on the upper right corner of the screen and confirm by pressing on this clear call history, and after that your WhatsApp call history should be deleted. So that is how to delete WhatsApp call history. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.